Hoppers. Today we're coming to you from Dana Point. We are going to walk around. Yes, I'm going to be wearing my mask a lot, but I'm up here on the lookout point. Let's get started. What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV, and today we are coming to you from Dana Point. You can see we are right now driving past San Clemente on the California Surfliner, which is also known as the California Coaster. So we're about to arrive in San Juan Capistrano and then head down to Dana Point. In this video, we're going to go on a whale watch and then we're going to walk around Dana Point up top. So stick around for that at the end. All right, everybody, welcome back to Island Hopper TV, and now we are going to go on a Dana Point whale watching excursion. Let's do this.
Tracy will be helping you guys out there downstairs. If you do need something from the galley, we got some snacks and candy down there. Also grilled cheese, hot dogs, quesadillas, ice cream, water, soda, beer, wine, cocktails, lemonades, margaritas, mimosas, mimosas. Actually, we're in the stuff right now with 4 ounce mimosas. Okay, so here we are heading out of the harbor here. Right when we came out of the Dana Point Harbor, we did see a gray whale right away, and we are headed over there right here. Just waiting for the gray whale to emerge and take a breath. See that little slick area in the water? We call that a footprint or a blueprint. It's caused by that.
They got a better view.
Yeah, they did. Yeah, they... Oh, that looks like a different one. It's the same one.
So the captain heard there was a humpback whale, and now we're headed over to check him out.
See the hump there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought.
Here is Dana Point Wharf. Sports fishing, whale watching, Catalina Express. You can do all that from right here in Dana Point. Let us know in the comments where you're watching from. And if this is your first time to Island Hopper TV, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. All right. Lots of action down here on the wharf. Right, so now we're going to go on the other side of Dana Point towards some of these beaches and actually in the direction of Laguna Niguel. So we're going to keep cruising around here. This is just the wharf. Lots of boats down here. Beautiful day. A little bit of marine layer still burning off, even though it's 1:30 in the afternoon. A few restaurants over there. Beautiful bridge and harbor over here. keep this walking tour moving along here. This is like part 2 of Dana Point's harbor. Down over here is going to be a place called Baby Beach. Got yacht sales and charters. Look at those homes. So here we are at Baby Beach now, at the tip, the southern side, or the southeastern side, should we call it that, Dana Point. This little area here is beach, Baby Beach. Then we'll go on the other side of that, Dana Point there. Look at all those homes. We're just really relaxing here. What a wonderful little place to just chill out and relax. All right, so right now we are up on Del Prado. We're just coming up into the little area here. And here we are on Del Prado Avenue. Coming up onto the actual walking area towards Pacific Coast Highway. So this is up on top of the bluff overlooking the harbor. From what I've been told, you should do a Mai Tai at the Wind and Sea. This is Bonjour Cafe. But yeah, the Wind and Sea is where I've been told you'll want to get the Mai Tai. So now we're going to go check out this overlook here, see what kind of views we get down there towards Dana Point. Here I just wanted to show you guys the roads down here. This alleyway is pretty cool. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys this here overlook. Violet Lantern. It's better to just walk down here. Camino Capistrano. You can see the trail here. Really nice trail. Look at this view. Oh wow. Absolutely amazing, huh? Look at that view. Let's just see what this trail has to offer a little bit. There's a statue. Hello. Interesting little history here. It's called the hide drawer. So it looks like New England sailors would throw cow hides down this cliff here to be taken away on ships. You can see, just throw it right off that cliff. That's what that statue is for. This trail is quite the trail, and then there, way out there, is the overlook. I want to stay on the concrete. Unbelievable, huh? Great views. So the overlook is all the way over there. So over this bridge up ahead here is an overlook that gives you a really good vantage point of what Dana Point looks like from high above at the harbor. There was a sheriff's helicopter that was flying overhead looking for some people, and that's what you hear is that loud helicopter. It's a sheriff chopper. So this is the Dana Point Lantern District that we just came out of. You can see the sign here. Named after Richard Henry Dana Jr. They used to have all sorts of different lanterns, ruby lanterns and whatnot, right down that road, Del Prado. So this here is Pacific Coast Highway, but right here's a little history. The Lantern District Arch. And the old Dana Inn. So here we have the Hilltop Conservation Park. I'm gonna walk up this to the top, save you guys the drama of hiking it, but show you what it's like up there. Right, the top of the hilltop. A little bit of a hike there. Please excuse my heavy breathing. Look at that view. A little bit of marine layer sticking around. This is what it looks like in the conservation area. There's a high point all the way up there if you wanted to hike there. I'm not doing that. We're still headed to Laguna. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy videos like this, and watch our other videos from Oceanside, Carlsbad, and soon to be published Laguna Beach. Exciting times. Got a lot more coming too after that. And on that note, this is going to conclude the Dana Point video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys on the next one.